Navigate to Munich airport. Okay, so it doesn't connect to Google Maps, which is a shame. She's priceless. She knows where she needs to go. She doesn't want to be here in the first place. She wants to lay on the couch all day, which I totally understand. But we're on a mission, DJ. We are on a mission. Come on. But I think it should really connect to Google Maps because why not? Navigate to Munich airport. Well, came up with Munich Airport, but that's about it. Hey you, nice to see you again. Beautiful people of the internet, there's not a lot of videos out there for Google Maps and the Galaxy Watch 4 in terms of how to use it. Real life test. I don't care about all this 8K B-roll. Look, I don't really care. So let's get real. Let's do this now. Starting navigation. Oh, that was really fast. So she does look like she just came out of the dryer. So this is what it looks like when a middle-aged man tries to do a haircut for a Pomeranian. But to my defense, it was Corona. I couldn't get an appointment. But if you want to see what a real lady looks like after her haircut tomorrow, then subscribe, right? And you know what? She's so forgiving. She's lovely. She, on top of that, she spoons with you. Something's happening. Something's happening. So, test number one. We are stranded in the middle of nowhere again, as you can see. So I want to use the Galaxy Watch 4 LTE. You can see 3 bars. LTE only. Everything else is turned off. I want to see how Google Maps works. I think it's reloading. That's what it's doing right now. It's reloading. Basically, there is no street name. As you can see, McDonald's. Okay, so this is my McDonald's. Starting navigation. LTE only. Okay, I better don't move. Don't want to upset it. Real time, people, real time. A couple of things I learned along the way using Google Maps, and you see the message popping up, and there's another message that keeps coming up. It says connect to your phone, and that is a message that I researched. Taking a long time, not sure. Couldn't start navigation. I had the same issue earlier. Don't know what's happening here. What does it mean and why do we have to do this? So apparently, and according to Samsung, when your watch is disconnected from your phone for a certain amount of time, this message will pop up. It's some sort of synchronization issue, GPS and what have you. Don't know why. Weird stuff, but once I've done this, once I connected them both and then disconnected again after 5 minutes, all was good to go. People of the internet, you are here with me live. Just tap the icon. You can see it's here. It's here. The red dot is here. Let's go to McDonald's. Tap again. Highly annoying. Tap again. Yep, I want to walk. Really long. Starting navigation. Oh, that was really fast. Okay, so where do I need to go? Tell me. Look, the important part to me is getting safe from A to B, no matter what system or maps we're using. I saw some comments from you guys that said, well, when I use Google Maps on my Galaxy Watch 4, it gets stuck. It doesn't move when I move. So let's have a look. Okay, so where do I need to go? Tell me. Okay, it's not like I know the way, so it doesn't move, but it should go up north. Well, there you go. That's what I meant. Not north, but in the direction that we are going. So, you're live here with me in the middle of nowhere. I've never been here before, obviously. Wink, wink. And I've got my little guard dog also here. Is the dot moving? I believe the dot is moving, but let's see. We want to go. This is the corner over there, right? Let me zoom in. Super smooth. But here, let's see what it does. One of the most annoying things is the screen timeout. It is limited by 1 minute, meaning your screen will go black after 1 minute. There's nothing you can do. If you know something about it, let me know in the comments below. I kind of believe it defeats the object though, especially when you want to navigate and you want to see the direction at any one time. You have to basically double tap or shake, whatever you have to do. And it's the same for phone calls, right? I'm being attacked here. Experiment number 2. Oh, this time it comes up really early. It tells me 170 meters to the left. I didn't feel any vibration this time again. Maybe I'm immune to vibrating things, stuff. Okay, dot is moving. Dot is moving. That is pretty cool. It is moving. Nope. It's not vibrating, but it tells me to go left. Okay. Oh, that was fast. Okay, the next test is probably something you're not going to do every day. I'm going to navigate my watch and the car to the next McDonald's. I'm going to take the street down here. There we go. It's telling me I'm speeding. Sorry. I'm going to open this right now. This is the street. You can see this right here. I'm going to see how it behaves. What I did notice though, when I have the 3 options available for the navigation for the car, you don't have the dot available. The dot, I want to see the dot moving, right? So that is the annoying part, right? So you can see the screen is turned off again. It's really freaking annoying the heck out of me. Come on, come back on. Here we go. So what I did notice, I've been observing it since we left. I think the dot is moving, but it is not fluid moving. It kind of jumps sometimes, and then it has a fluid move to it again. But I think, I mean, come on, it's on LTE, it's a watch, don't know what the signal is like. It's getting warm on my hand, don't know. It's not overheating though, that's the good part so far. Okay, so now imagine you are on your bike, you're going really fast because that's just the kind of guy you are. And now you're gonna have to turn left, so what's gonna happen? What's happening? What's happening here? Nothing. No vibration. Basically, it just tells me I have to go left, which is the correct way to go. But there's no vibration as such, which is kind of really, well, it is annoying. Look at this. It shows me I have arrived. Just ordered and now it shows me I have arrived. Here we go, guys. Did you know, fun fact, that Munich is known as the most northern town of Italy because of the buildings. They look like just, you could be in Italy in some places here, but also people like espresso. So am I. On my way home, I used the Go by Car option. Makes sense, right? And some thought has been given to this option because it is clear, visible, all the direction can be seen really easily. Screen goes black and no vibration for direction change. So these are the two things that really, well, stand out all the time. Maybe I am just immune to vibration. Hey, you. Yes, you. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I really do appreciate you riding along with me on this journey. Pretty cool, don't you think? Until next time, I miss you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Peace out.